Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rush County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located very near Rush Center, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. You can expect ping pong ball size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Rush County.